Yeah, good everyone. Welcome to this video. Yes, in today's video, I want to teach you guys how to create a simple website with Python. And obviously, yes, if you, I believe if you're watching this video, you want to learn how to write coding or code and build your next beautiful website in Python. And yes, this is video for you. I believe if you watch this video to the end, I will teach you guys how to create a simple simple project, simple website using Python. So obviously, yes, if you might have heard about Django before, Django was one of the web frameworks of Python. We have so many frameworks. We have so many web frameworks of Python. We have Pyramid. We have Flask. We have Fast APIs, and Django is one of them. Django is the most used and the most popular web frameworks of Python. And to this video, use it to create a simple website. And this website will be simple as possible because obviously I have my template was for that up and running already, and obviously within some minutes, within some few seconds or few minutes, I have the servers, I have my server up and running, I have my server set up and running with Python and using Django at the back end. So obviously, just I believe if you watch this video, and I'll teach you guys how to create a simple website with Python Django obviously, and you'll be using like a simple template that I've showed you earlier. And this is what this template is all about. It's just a simple template. So what this template does is just create an AI code generator for a website, obviously. So I believe if I want to go more deeper into this kind of video or this kind of tutorial, I want you to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So yes, make everything up and running. We have to get started with what we need to work on is to install the what packages we need for this kind of tutorial. First thing we need is Django, which is obviously what we'll be using to create our simple website. And obviously, if you have any question about how I set up my virtual environment, I want to leave a video about virtual environment by the side of my screen, so you can just check it up here. Yes, I have my Django up and running already. So the next thing for me to create a Django project. Create a Django project. This is the command used to create a Django project. Django dot dash admins start project. It's just a simple command you run to work. This is a simple command you run to create a Django project. So the project, the name I want to give my project is code project, because obviously this would be a the coding an AI code generator project. So obviously, and I've created my project already, and the name I give to my project is called code project. Obviously, it's created already. This is the name of my project, and these are the files that will be existing in my project. So we have like 6 Python files of 5. Yes, they obviously up to like 5 Python files that exist in my Python projects. And now I need to create my Python app, which will reside inside my Django project, obviously. So yes, this is how I create my Django app. So it's just a simple command you run to create your app. So to call a code app, because obviously a project will be something like code related project. So I code a code AI code generating project, like AI code generator, so to say. So I created my Django app already. So inside my Django project, this is where I'll move into the code now. This is the template folder, and this is what the index.html file that exists inside my template folder, and this was my virtual environment folder, and this is the guy that did this server. So I as meant to deploy this server to any kind of hosting platform I desire to use. Might be render my render platform, might be Heroku, might be Python. Anyway, we have so many hosting platforms I desire to run my stuff on. So for now, this is not a tutorial about hosting platform. This are the two guys I'll be dealing with in this tutorial. Obviously, the setting of PY and the URL of PY. So yes, we created our Django app already. So we need to first of all go into the settings of PY and import OS, because obviously we're dealing with the template folder. The template folder is where template folder is where our front end part of the project reside. This is where all our front end code, our front end part of the project will reside, so to say. So I need to create like instantiate instantiate it's kind of like instantiating our Python project, Python app inside install apps. This is the list of apps that we have that comes by default to with Django, and this is the new app we created earlier. So we have imported OS. Obviously, we'll be dealing with some files and folder inside same directory where our project is hiding. So I have that already I've instantiated what added added Python apps into the list of apps that comes with what Django. And let's move to where this is where we'll link our link our this is where we link our what this is where we link our this is where we link our template folder to our backend, like our Django backend. And yeah, so I'm done with the template aspect. So I'm not sure we have it with static folder here. Let me check. We don't have any static folder. Okay, everything inside this project, inside this front end is just okay. We're using some inline CSS here, obviously. So I don't want to get into the what CSS aspect. This is where you deal with CSS aspect of the project, but I'm not dealing with that for now. I mean, that special tutorial on how you can do all this stuff by yourselves, yeah, just easily. So I'm done with that aspect. So now we kind of was setting setup with this kind of setting setup being set up, you can now have a full-fledged Django project, a website, a Python website that is up and running that you can work on and maybe add more features to it as time goes, so to say. So now I need to what since I've added my Django project already. I've added my Django project already. I need to since I have my Django project already. I need to what I oh sorry I need to what I need to go to the template folder, sorry, to URL py. So inside this URL py I need to include the, so this is the function we need to that will set us like give us the access to add the our app URL level to our project and URL level. So it should be I want it to be like empty router, because I don't want it to be like I don't want it to have any special command, any special keyword inside it, because obviously it's just a simple app. So I so that's just that about this. So at this point we'll so at this point, you have to move to the URL, to the app level, and create a URL because obviously we've instantiated it in the previous file, which is where the URL py at the project level. So this is where we have to do it at the at the app level. So we'll be using the pass. So let me just copy and paste this aspect, because obviously this is just the same with what we have here. So I think we are cool at this point. So I need to just wow. So from in from dot import index, because dot is just giving us access to any folder, any file, so to say, any file that is inside the app level. It might be it's yeah. So let me just get this up and running for you guys. So from that index, from dot view to import index, it's just the same. So I need to just okay, from dot import video. So obviously inside this app level, we have so many files that exist inside this app level. So we want to use the Vue.py. We are referencing the Vue.py file inside the app level. So that's just what this line is interpreted as. So that's just that about that. So at this point I need to create an endpoint, simple endpoint inside this Vue.py, because obviously we'll be reversing the endpoint inside our URL. So I return the request, because obviously the users will always make a request to this endpoint, and the response that comes back to the users is the index of HTML here. So I just wanted to make this tutorial as simple as possible. So we have to reference our index function there. So I think at this point we are cool. So let me just check everything up. Let me just check if everything's up and running at this point. Okay, this is our Vue.py, everything's up and running, and this is our the URL.py, everything's up and running at this point. So so I think let's run our local server. on local server and see if we have any issues at the code aspect of what, or code aspect or not. So yeah, we're still loading. So what can you see? Well, we have everything up and running at this point. So this is what we have here. So I can just like change any part of this code, and when I change any part of this code, I will have this, have my what project like seriously up and running at the back. So let me just pass some objects at the back end, like name, like Zico Media. So I'll pass the context here. I'll pass the value of what I'm gonna pass to the template, which is the front end, to the context dictionary. It's just you're passing it in form of dictionary, because obviously dictionary has obviously have a name and value, and the name I give to it is the name, the value I give to it is Zico Media. So I want to pass this value to the front end. When I want to pass to the front end, I have to what, change. I can just pick. Let me just change this one to what. So it will be what name. So when I render it at the front end, I obviously get Zico Media code generator. So let me render it again. So let's show you guys what I'm talking about. Can you see Zico Media what code generator? So let me just reload page again to make it obvious to you guys that it's just what I've something I worked on, and just render it back to where it's what it's all before. So that's just what are these are the little two things you have to know about how to render what a simple template, a simple project, what simple project in Django as you're choosing backend frameworks of Python and stuff like that. So if you have any question at this point, you can just let me know in the comment section below and answer your question. Thanks so much for watching this video. Obviously more videos like this will be coming up your way. I'm still working on a project where I'm still working on a project lately where I will just render what we are seeing on my screen. You render this kind of project up, make it like for you guys, make it live for you guys. I'll deploy it to render, and it's obviously something I'm working on, and I'm still planning to make a course about it, which I'll push to my Udemy platform, and you guys can have access to it and make purchase on the course, and that's just my plan towards this tutorial. So thanks so much for you guys watching this tutorial. Obviously this is a long video, a long tutorial, and because obviously more videos like this coming up your way. And thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.